Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy.
Did I get it right? Thank you, you're welcome. So I just want to welcome you all here today to celebrate the 75th birthday of my father, who is on the phone. And I'd also like to appreciate that we have got the majority of his children here today. It's my brother Aaron's first time in Nigeria with his beautiful wife Jana. So can we just welcome them again? It's also my daughter Celeste's first time meeting a lot of her uncles and aunties, so it's been quite a great celebration for us. She's now met all of them, so that's quite wonderful. So yes, again, I'd like to say thank you. Oh no, not thank you, that's not my bit, that's his bit. He'll be coming up later. So just
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.